The aim of this video is to answer this question. I want to find the size of angle C in the figure below, and it's one of those options. Notice that it has measurements in minutes. So first we'll notice it's got a 90-degree angle, so I can use trigonometry. Opposite the C, I can label the opposite side. Next to it, adjacent. Opposite the 90 is hypotenuse. Next step, I'll write down soha, kaha, toha. Then I will look at the sides I have, both of them. That's adjacent 3.6, tick it. Then I've got hypotenuse 7.7, so I can tick the H. Together that gives me cosine that I can use. So I can write cosine of the angle C is adjacent 3.6 over hypotenuse 7.7. Next step, you backtrack the cosine. So you write cos inverse of 3.6 divided by 7.7. Then you use your calculator, type it in. When you get your answer, we won't now, 1 to 10 minutes. If you have a TI-84 plus CE, you would then have to press, after you're done, you'll press the following buttons. You'll go to second, angle, and then you will choose option 4 DMS to put it exactly for you in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And then that will give you on the calculator 62 degrees 7 minutes and 32.727 seconds. So when I round this answer to the nearest minute, I'll go look at the seconds, which are 32, and that's 30 and above. So I will round up to 8 minutes. So it's 62 degrees 8 minutes, which matches to option C. Thank you.